Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm showing you how to remove gel nail. I do my nails by myself. I always put gel. It's been already 12 years since I started doing gel on my nails. You know what? I never take any break, but my nails are always so healthy. I sometimes hear people say, oh, I don't like gel because gel ruins your natural nails or whatever like that. But my nails are always fine. I think it just depends on how we put gel on nails and also how we remove gel. First of all, I want to tell you, picking or peeling gel from your nail is the worst thing you could do. That's really bad for your nails. When I remove my gel, I use all professional equipment, but this time I will show you how to remove gel with something that you could buy from CVS or Target. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to remove gel now. If it's already lifting, you could cut the lifted part to make it faster. If you are afraid to use snipper, you don't need to do. You need to file the surface a little bit. Usually I use electric nail drill. Today I'm just gonna use the nail file. Please be careful, do not file the natural nail or your skin. Now you need tin foil and tiny bit of cotton. Like just a little bit is fine. And then acetone, cotton, tin foil, acetone. Wrap your fingernail with oil. Like this. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's been 5 minutes. Let's see. Now it's easy to remove. Usually I use metal pusher, but I'm using wood stick today, like this right now. If you still have some part not coming up, don't scrape too hard, but I just recommend to file a little bit more and wrap again. I know it's too much work, right? But I really don't recommend to scrape too hard because that's exactly the reason why you ruin your natural nails. This time is not even 5 minutes. Now gel is totally gone. When the surface is a little bit rough, I use cuticle oil. Put cuticle oil and butt. Look, now it's totally clean. You can just file. If you don't want to put any color, you can just use shiner, cuticle oil and buffer. That's it. And like this much clean. If you don't want to put gel, but I still recommend to put something, just clear base coat and top coat is totally fine. And make sure you put cuticle oil. Look, can you believe it's my natural nail? It's still strong. In my opinion, gel doesn't hurt your nail, but it just depends on how you remove gel. That's really important. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.